Hi everyone, I hope you a happy day so far. Today I would like to share with you the powerful method that I have tested by myself. I have a video series about this. Keep watching and do it along with me. Let's begin with what is the method that I love. The KonMari method. What is the KonMari method? The KonMari method offers you the magic of tidying up. Since the true goal of tidying is to clear away the clutter, so you can live the life you want. So before you tidy up, it needs to imagine your ideal lifestyle. It is the most critical step that gives you how to get the lifestyle that you desire. Ask yourself why you want to tidy. What kind of life do you want? How will your day look like? Who will you surround yourself with each moment? What are your emotional and mental states? Before tidying, you need to understand why you want to have that lifestyle. Asking many questions to yourself. Why you want to play yoga every day? Why you want to have a relaxing smell? Why you want to hear classical music? Although, the final answer is happiness. However, you need to know by yourself. Begin with the end in mind on what you want. And now you are ready for the tidying festival. See you in the following clip. If you want to learn more about how to start, please keep watching. Have a nice day, and thank you for watching.